In this video, we will be doing our oral vocabulary for Unit 5, Week 3. Our first vocabulary word this week is curious. If you are curious about something, you are interested in it and want to know more about it. I was curious about whales, so I read a book about them. What might a curious cat do when it sees a toy on the floor? Our next vocabulary word is improve. To improve is to make something better. Adding cheese will improve the flavor of this dish. What do you think would improve our classroom or your bedroom at home? Our next vocabulary word is complicated. If something is complicated, it has many parts and it is difficult to understand. Sarah tried to fix the broken clock, but it was too complicated. Which toy is more complicated, a ball or a remote-controlled car? Our next vocabulary word is device. A device is an object made to do a certain job, such as a can opener. Dad has a device that measures how much air is in the tires on the car. What devices could you use in the kitchen? Our last vocabulary word this week is imagine. When you imagine something, you think of something that isn't real or that hasn't happened. Nina likes to imagine that she is a princess living in a castle. Imagine riding a bike on a flying carpet. What would that be like? And those are all of our vocabulary words this week.